Good day everyone, I am Lovely and welcome to our Let Review video presentation for the major subject. Okay, in this session, we will focus on key concepts, practice questions, and effective strategies that will help you better understand the topics included in your field or specialization. So this reviews aims to deepen your knowledge, sharpen your analytical skills, and prepare you to confidently face the licensure examination for teachers. Stay focused, think critically, and let's work together towards your success. Okay, now without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so number one. Okay, so what is the sum of the interior angle of a triangle? Okay, so there we talk about the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? Okay, finalize your answer. Okay, so the answer is letter B. Okay, so the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is any triangle. Okay, so the sum of the interior angles of any triangle. Okay, remember that if any triangle is always 180 degrees. Okay, okay, so now let's proceed to number two. What is the area of a circle with radius 7? Okay, so we have hint there. We use pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay. Okay. So what is our formula for area or circle? Area of a circle. Pi r squared. Okay. So area is equal to pi r squared. Okay. So we got this one. Okay. So let's have apply this. We use the area of pi r squared. Okay. Are you done? Okay. So the answer is letter A. Okay, since we give it you, I give the formula of area or area of a circle. Okay, we have the pi r squared. Okay, so our pi there is 22 over 7, and our radius is 7. Okay, since r squared. Okay, so 7 squared is equal to 49. So 22 over 7 times 49 is equal to 154. Okay, so did you get it? Okay, now let's proceed to number 3. What is the volume of a cube with side length 3? Okay, so dito naman, titingnan natin yung volume of a cube with side length 3. Okay, length natin is 3. Is it letter A, B, C, or letter D? Okay. So, in volume class, the formula of our volume of a cube is, yes, S cube. Okay. So, that means you already know what is our answer there. Okay. Finalize your answer. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Okay, so our formula for volume of a cube is S cube. Therefore, the side length there, or the given side length is 3. So 3 raised to 3 is equal to, or simply mean the answer is letter C, 27. Okay, did you get it? Okay, so do not forget our formula, either the area of a triangle, um, volume of cube, and other. Okay, so now let's proceed for number 4. Okay, what is the surface area? Okay, so there naman, hanapin yung surface area of a sphere with radius 2. Okay, so pag sinabi naman sphere class, kanina, di ba, we have pi r squared. Okay, yung kinuha natin is the circle, triangle, uh, area of a circle. Okay, so area of circle class kanina is pi r squared. So dito naman, surface area of a sphere. Okay, with radius 2. So what is our formula for sphere? Okay, area of a sphere. Is it pi r squared 4 or 4 pi r squared? Yes, 4 pi r squared. Okay, so with that, our radius there is 2. Then substitute the value of our radius. It's equal to 4 pi or 4 pi times 2 squared. Okay? Simply mean, okay, alam ko, nakuha nyo na yung mga sagot. Okay? So, finalize your answer. Let's see if you got the correct answer. Okay? So, the answer is letter A. Okay, simply mean 4 times 2. Okay, so 2 times, 2 raised to 2 is 4. Okay, so 4 times 4, 16. Okay, so 16 pi. So, our surface area is equal to 16 pi. Okay, did you get it? Okay, now let's proceed. Number 5. What is the distance between points 0, 0 and point 3, 4? Okay? What is the distance? Siguro na kanya na. Okay, so our formula for distance is square root of x squared plus 4, x squared plus y squared. Okay? Simply mean, you substitute the value of our x and y. Then, compute it. So, what is our value? Or what is the distance between points of 0, 0 and 3, 4? Okay? The formula of the distance is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. Okay? Now, what is our answer? Finalize your answer. I know some of you. Okay, yes, very good. Okay? Now, what is our answer? Okay, don't cheat, ah. Okay, so number, letter A, 5. So how? Okay, so our distance formula is distance is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. So our x there is 3. Okay, since 0, 0, automatically 0 na yan. Okay, 3 and 4. So 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, so 9 and 16. 9 plus 16, 25. Okay, so don't forget our square root there. So our formula is square root, right? So square root of 25, 5. Okay, so it's letter A. Did you get it? Okay, so now let's proceed to number 6. How many faces does a rectangular prism have? Okay, so how many faces does a rectangular prism have? Ilan nga ba? Ilan nga ba ang face ng rectangular prism? Okay, letter A, 4, B, 6, C, 8, or D, 12? Okay, finalize your answer. It's letter. Okay, so the answer is letter B. So our rectangular prism class has 6 faces. Okay, is hindi siya 4, hindi siya 8, hindi siya 12. Okay, it's 6 faces of a rectangular prism have. Okay, now let's proceed. Number 7. What is the area of a triangle with base 10 and height 5? Okay. So, area of a triangle naman tayo. Okay? Don't forget the formula for area of a triangle. So, we have the given base and height. So, therefore, our formula there is area is equal to 1/2 times base times height. Okay? So, that you can substitute the value or the given value there. So our base, our height. Okay. So I know you got the answer. Okay, so 1/2 times 10 times 5. So 25. So what is 25? I know. 10 times 5 is 50. So 1/2 times 50 or divide by both sides is also 25. Okay, so the answer is letter A. Okay, so very good. Okay, so now let's proceed. Number 8. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon? Okay. So, dito naman, hahanapin natin yung each interior angle of regular hexagon. Is it letter A, Is it letter B, letter C, or letter D? So, sabi niya dito, each interior angle of a regular hexagon. Okay, finalize your answer. Okay, so the answer is letter A. It's which interior angle class there is a 120 degrees. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, now let's proceed number 9. What is the volume of a cylinder with radius 2 and height? Okay, so there, a volume of a cylinder. So our formula there for cylinder class. Volume is equal to pi r squared times height, because there is a given the radius and the height. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, so pi times 2. What is our radius there is 2. And our height is 5. So there, substitute the formula there. There is 2 pi, or pi times 2 squared times 5. So 2 squared is 4. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20. So therefore, 20, letter A. Okay, so did you get it? Okay, so now let's proceed to last number 10. Okay, what is the diagonal of a square with side 4? Dito, what is the formula for diagonal? Okay, is it square root of 2 s times s, or s square root of 2? Yes, s is square root of 2. Okay, now you can now substitute the value of the diagonal of a square formula into our given. Okay, so what is our answer there? Simply mean the correct answer is letter A. Okay, very good. Okay, our is there is 4. Okay, so square root of 2. Hindi mo na siya masisimplify. Therefore, our diagonal of a square with side 4 is 4 square root of 2. Okay, I hope you learned something for this video, and I hope for the next session, we will discuss the linear algebra. Okay, so thank you for watching.